Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome all the third sem students to Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. In third semester, you will be studying about the digital system design as one of your subject, and I'll be handling this subject. So, coming to the syllabus. So you'll be having Module 1, Principles of Combinational Logic, Module 2, Analysis and Design of Combinational Logic, and Module 3, Flip-flops, Module 4, Flip-flop Applications, Module 5, Sequential Circuit Design. For this subject, that is Digital System Design, which in short we will be telling it as DSG. So you will be referring some textbooks. So here are the textbooks which are given. So you'll be referring Yarburg, John M. by Yarburg, Digital Logic Applications and Design by John M. Yarburg, and Digital Principles and Design, Donald D. Gibbon. And reference books will be Kothari, Digital Circuit Design by Kothari, Digital Design with Maurice Mano, Fundamentals of Logic Design, Charles H. Roth. Okay, these are the textbooks which you will be referring. So, So now, keeping in mind that you all remember the gates, the basic gates, what you have studied in your first year basic electronics. So in that you have studied AND gate, that is basic gates as AND gates, OR gate and NOT gate, and universal gates like NAND and NOR, and the other gates like XOR and XNOR. So I hope you all remember, if AND gate, we tell it as A into B, for OR gate, we tell it as A plus B. Okay, NOT gate, if the input is A, the output will be getting it as complemented. So these three gates are the basic gates. Okay, universal gates are NAND and NOR. If suppose you are having two input variables, you'll be having four output. If you are having two input variables, the expected combinations you'll be having, that is 2 raised to 2, you'll be having 4 combinations. In the same way, if you are having 3 input variables, you'll be having 8 combinations. That is 2 raised to 2. If you are having 2 input variables, the upper, that is 2, the power 2 is nothing but 2 input variables. So you'll be having 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4 combination. In the same way, if you are having 3 input variables, 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 means 8 combinations you'll be having. In the same way, 2 raised to 4. If you're having 4 variables, you'll be having 16 combinations. So these things what you have studied in your basic electronics will be using here in the digital system design. So coming to the Boolean postulates and laws, and these laws also you have studied, where we will be reducing the Boolean expression, the given Boolean expression will be reduced. So here we'll just once we'll have a glance over this, like what is commutative law. Commutative law is nothing but A plus B is equal to B plus A. AB is equal to BA. In the same way, associate law, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, or it is AB into C is equal to A into BC. In the same way, distributive law, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. A plus BC is equal to A plus B into A plus C. In the same way, identity law, A plus A is equal to A into A is equal to A. Redundance law, that is A plus AB is equal to A into A plus B is equal to A. Next is 0 plus A is equal to A, or 0 into A is equal to 0. In the same way, 1 plus A is equal to 1, 1 into A is equal to A. And the other laws are A bar plus A, which is equal to 1, A bar into A is equal to 0. And the next, A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B, A into A bar plus B is equal to AB. Okay. These are the Boolean postulates. In the same way, which is done in the gate wise, which has been given here. So Boolean theorems. So x into 0 is equal to 0. If suppose it is an AND gate, x into 0, it is equal to 0. In the same way, x into 1 is equal to x. X may be 0 or 1, which is always, if it is x is 0, it will be 0. If x is 1, it will be 1. And x into x is equal to x. So x, this is an AND gate. So x into x will be always equal to x. That is 0 into 0, it will be always 0 if x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, 1 into 1, output will be 1. So in the same way, these all things are explained with, okay, with respect to the gates. In the same way, x plus this, what we have seen is regard with AND gate. In the same way, for OR gate, x plus 0 is equal to x. X may be 0 or may be 1. If suppose x is equal to 0, output will be 0. That is 0 plus 0, it will be 0. If x is equal to 1, 1 plus 0, it will be 1. Okay. So in the same way, x plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Whatever may be the x, if x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, again it will be 1. If it is 1, 1 plus 1, again it is 1. Okay. These things what you have already studied in your first year in basic electronics. So now coming to the Boolean postulates. So Boolean postulates, it is again what we have seen previously in the previous slides, that is commutative law, associative law. Okay, so a plus b is equal to b plus a, ab is equal to ba. In the same way, we have seen associate law also. Coming to the De Morgan's theorem, that is AB whole bar. This AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. In the same way, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. If it is multiplication, it is converted into plus. If it is plus, it is converted into multiplication. Okay, this is De Morgan's theorem. Now coming to the canonical and standard forms. In canonical, we have two standard forms, that is sum of product form and product of sum form. These are the two forms, that is sum of product and product of sum. Whenever the canonical word comes, so they'll be asking some questions regarding this canonical, like convert the following expression into canonical sum of product or convert it into canonical product of sum. So how will you do? What is canonical? So canonical means, if suppose you are having 2 or 3 variables at the input side in the expression. If it is 3 variables, in output each term should have that variable. If suppose here you can see sum of product, it is a, b, c. If suppose f of a, b, c is equal to a, b, c, these all the 3 variables should be present in all the terms. So it is called as canonical sum of product. So first let us see what is sum of product. When 2 or more product terms are summed by Boolean addition. If suppose when 2 or more product terms